Hi everyone, I'm Penny Catterall with Order Your Life, and we are back for another digital decluttering tip. This week we are going to talk about cleaning off that computer desktop. If you're one of those people who has so many icons and so many images and documents cluttering up your desktop that you can't even see the wallpaper that's underneath there, it might be time to clean your desktop off. It can be really distracting to have all that stuff on your computer desktop. And chances are you probably haven't looked at most of that in a really long time. So it's pretty overwhelming to look at all those documents and figure out where to start and how to clean them up. But my suggestion is to go to either Finder, which is how you can look at your documents on your desktop in Mac, or My Computer, which is what you use for Windows, and click on the desktop icon, and you'll be able to see all of your documents lined up in a list order or an icon order, which is much easier to look at. Then you're going to want to sort by date. If you can sort it so that the oldest documents show up on top, you're going to be able to see probably that you have a lot of things on there that you can easily delete that have been around for a long time. If you decide that you want to keep those documents, you're going to move them into the My Documents folder in Finder or My Computer. And we'll talk next time about where to keep those documents in a more organized way. A quick tip, a shortcut for you Mac users, is that if you hit the space bar when you are hovering over a document in Finder, in My Desktop, you'll be able to do a quick shortcut preview of what that document is without having to open it all the way up in Word or Preview or Acrobat. So that's a really fast way to see what that document is if the title doesn't make any sense, and then you can decide quickly whether it's a keeper or a tosser. So next week we'll talk about your document structure, folder structure, and where to keep all those documents. And we'll see you next time. Bye.